Sandy the Kentucky Crafter here. Welcome back to my channel. And I am going to do a little unboxing with you all. I ordered some stuff from a company called Stationery Pal. And I had seen some other folks had done some haul videos from them. And they had some cute things that I wanted to get. So let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing here is a little thank you card. That's nice. And let's see here. We just want to thank you for being you. Nothing more, nothing less. Keep using the influencers discount code. Oh, excellent. So that's really nice. So I got a little thank you card. Awesome. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. I did not order this. They just put this in the pack. Aw, it's a cute little crocheted hat. And I think this is an eraser, a ice cream cone. I'll put this up here with my other collection of items to figure out where I want to put this guy. He's so cute. I'll put him right here for now. Okay, so one of the things that I wanted were some Micron pens, and I had a black one from years ago, and I really loved how it works. So I thought I would order a few from Stationery Pal. So I got a green one, a purple one, and a black one. I don't know if you can see that there on the end. And the size that I got was it's the 0.45 millimeter, and I got that on all three of them, I think. Let's see here. Oh no, that's right. On the black one I got 0.04, and then on the purple 0.05, and on the green one 0.5. These are Archival Pens, which I really like. And let me find a scrap here to write on. So I can kind of show you how they look. Let's see here. So this is the black one. It just has a really nice tip on it. Very, very small little tip, but I think it writes very nice. So that's the black one. Here is the green one, and it's more almost like a forest green. I don't know if you can see that there. And then here is the purple one. And they all write just really nice. You don't have to press down very much at all. So if you've been looking for some, pens to try, you can try this Micron brand. And I did the 04 and 05. So not super thick and not super thin. All right, so those are the pens. I love those. I'm so excited. Next, I wanted to show you all some washi tapes. So I have, a decent collection of washi tape, but I was looking for just some kind of plain, nice washi tape to use in my like day-to-day journaling. So I love this little, I don't know what you call it. Does it have a name? I don't know what you call this little, it's basically a grid. That's the word I'm looking for. Shoo, words can be hard sometimes. Let me find the end on here. Hello. Why can't I find the end? Nothing goes right when you're filming, Ah, I found it. Rascally little thing. Okay. So there is the grid. I'll put some down on my table. See, isn't that pretty? And I just wanted to get some nice kind of spring colors. So I got this kind of a peachy orange lavender. This is a gray. This is a blue. And this is kind of like a brown almost, or a beige. Vintage photo maybe. I don't know. So those are these washi tapes that I got, and so I'm excited to use those. And then I also got some of these washi. These are called Macaroon color tape. So look at the colors on those. Oh, let me take this off. The glare might be too much. But I just love these pastel colors. Again, just for spring. I'm super excited to use these. I also am going to be working on some baby journals, I think. So I think these would be perfect. So there, you can kind of get a picture of that rose color, I guess you'd call that maybe. I'm horrible with colors, but you got a rose, a pink, this yellow's sweet, kind of a darker pink, and a blue. So love those. And then the last thing I got was this, another thing of the macaroon tape, but in the lavenders. And y'all know purple's my favorite color. But look at those in this blue. So yummy. And I love macaroons, the cookies. So anyway, I'm super excited about these. And I'd never ordered from Stationery Pal before. And the shipment, it came fairly quickly. I think it was maybe close to 2 weeks. But look at that beautiful, that purple there. So I'm super excited about my haul. I mean, you can think it's like nothing super exciting, just washi tape and some pens, but there's so many possibilities with these, I feel. So I'm super excited about these. Anyway, if you all haven't checked out Stationery Pal, then you might want to check them out. They have lots of different things that you can get. I'll probably go back after the holidays and kind of look and see if there's some things I need to add to my stash. But right now I'm really trying to use up my stash and not add too much more. But this was one thing that was kind of missing from my collection. And I love these Micron pens, and I had been having not a ton of luck finding really what I was looking for. So I was excited to find these at Stationery Pal. And just this little cute little hat is just sweet. So nice little bonus. All right, well, you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching, you all. Remember to hit the like button. Bye.